हम SM मॉल आ चुके हैं, तो अभी देखते हैं मेरी वाइफ ने खाना क्या है। Dairy Queen, Burger King, so much here. Let's go to Burger King. Is there anything we can eat Burger King? Cheese Whopper beef. Akshan, is that halal? You want to ask it here?
Only beef.
Only beef halal? Look here, smile. So the beef is halal? Come here, Anna. Look here. So you want to eat beef? No, Anna, just make sure it's halal. Again, ask again. Confirm it. It's halal? This 4 cheese Whopper is beef, right?
Yes, that's beef.
Okay, I want 2 sets.
Do with rice and drinks or just a burger?
I want a set, and drinks are. Is this root beer non-alcohol, right?
No, sir. No alcohol.
Okay, I want this one.
Okay.
And one I want. What do you want to drink? One Coke.
Coke pop.
Yeah, but put less ice on board.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, sir, the 4 cheese Whopper, the big burger or the junior, sir?
The big one.
Okay, got it.
And I want to maybe upgrade to onion rings, both of
Oh,
them.
sir, sorry, we don't have onion rings
Onion rings,
anymore.
okay. And I want to add one sundae.
Also, no more Sundays, sir.
No sundae.
Yes, boss.
It's okay. Mocha. I think that's okay.
Okay, boss, sir, I'll repeat your order. 4 cheese Whopper meal, 2 orders. 1 Coke, 1 root beer, less ice, sir.
Huh? Coke? Okay, sorry.
No more floats, no more Sundays.
No more flour. Okay, 1 Coke and 1 root beer. Less ice, yeah.
578, sir.
570.
Yes, boss. Hello, ma'am. You're welcome.
Here you go. Thank you.
78, sir.
70, I'm sorry, my mistake.
78.
It's okay? Thank you, sir.
Sir, for dine-in.
Get dining.
Sir, is it okay if dine-in outside because we're gonna clean now?
Okay, no problem. We can dine outside. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Welcome.
So Rehana is now eating the beef burger. So the beef burger is only halal, not the chicken even here. Again, we have to ask them like, so the beef is only halal at Burger King, not chicken. Somewhere, you know, in Jollibee, the chicken is halal, not beef. So we are eating the beef burger now. Number 2. Thank you very much. Oh, thank you. Come here. Hannah, look here. I take a picture first, okay?
Okay na yung kape.
तो मेरा बर्गर किंग का सेट आ चुका है। मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ, ये मेरी चिप्स है और ये मेरी वाइफ है। जैसे द चिप्स इज लाइक थिक, इट्स गुड। देयर नो स्ट्रॉ, टेक दिस वन ऑफ लाइक दिस, यू ड्रिंक लाइक दिस। मैं अभी जो यहाँ का बर्गर है वो खा के बताता हूँ। बर्गर पूरे हलाल नहीं होते यहाँ पे, चिकन हलाल नहीं, बर्गर किंग से बीफ उन्होंने का हलाल है ना। दिस इज वेरी बिग, यू सी। काफ़ी मज़े का, इट्स वेरी डिलीशियस। है ना, शो मी, आई टेक अ पिक्चर, शो मी लाइक दिस, इट्स ओके, इट लुक क्वाइट नाइस। The ketchup is halal. But how to open the ketchup? So मैं अभी खा के बाकी वीडियो बाद में बनाता हूँ. अल्लाह हाफिज़. So we have to say bye. अल्लाह हाफिज़ नाज़रीन, खाना ख़त्म कर लिया. अल्लाह हाफिज़.